what we're going to do is we're going to test these two dream catchers, okay? And basically with the same idea in mind, but dream catchers are also very energetic. And we're going to show how they're energetically differentiate themselves when we put together.
Could you explain why there's paper instead of DNA samples?
Yeah, because all I put in here is dream catchers. So it's tuning now to the dream catchers. Again, words is energy, okay? And the words and the intention all kind of work together.
Yeah, so that paper just...
I wrote dream catchers on it, that's all,
got it.
okay?
Perfect.
The reason why I want to show you this effect that we have, again, whether it's photographs, whether it's paintings, or anything we're looking at, but to me, these are two examples of looking at portals, okay? And portals allow us to kind of look at new dimensions. And so these are not just physical phenomena that we're looking at, but these also supply us with energetic phenomena. Okay, so we got one that's kind of more planar, the small one on that side, but you can see it's the typical design of your dream catcher. And then this one on the right, it's got the wolf picture on it. So it's captured the energy of the wolf. And what is the wolf doing? It's howling, okay? So let's begin by measuring the energy. So I'm going to, again, point over to that one with the wolf on it, and you can see how my wands begin to rotate on the right side. And I'm just thinking as to how I view that the wolf is beginning to do his howling. And you know what happens is, you get that with coyotes. Where I used to live, we had a lot of coyotes. And then it all of a sudden has an effect. The others are starting to howl too. This is kind of how it's allowing me to view this whole thing, okay? And they have a different rhythm to them. And this changes all the time too. Okay, so you can see now the left one is starting to go, and they're both going. Okay, so you get all that energy being developed, and it's kind of building, and it's typically when a pack of wolves are together. But what we're really just then connecting to is with that energy, everything being energy, whether it's in the picture or we viewing them live, this is connected. In the quantum phenomena, it's connected with the wolf's identity, its behavior, etc. Okay? And so they're not just inanimate objects, everything is energy. Watch how that changes now. He's going to go in another round. And then, so big party of howling wolves. Okay, so let's just focus on that little one over there. And you could see how the energy, nice and calm, just like a breeze flowing, okay? The feathers hanging there in the wind. Like the bird is flying. Calmer activity, but still related to life of the birds and so on. Hard to explain it really all, but it certainly starts to give us a different point of view when we're looking at things. And this can allow us, just like we had earlier on Candace Wilson's the picture of one of her paintings, okay? And if the intention is also right in putting these things together, it can have really profound effect. So therefore, like artists, whatever they put into their work, if it's machine printed, which we show on silk screen stuff, but this is a kind of a nice, even, calm flow. Like this is all, kind of reminds me right now of the birds flying. So how about if we can combine that? Jay, would you mind hanging that little one on top of the one with the wolf? Just remove that off that. And so we see a combination, okay? Just like we have in nature, lots of activity. And so there's a blending of energies there. Okay, so we got that on top of where the wolf is. So it begins with the wand swing back and forth, but then all of a sudden, the wolves play their part in it. Different energy effects, but that's life. Life is energy. And so when we focus on energy, so all of nature, and we are nature. We're basically living in this universe in a pool of energy. So we're continuously being bathed with many energetic forces. And these could be very much, just like when we consume foods, energy sources to enhance our life. So welcome to another way of viewing what exposes itself to you. Watch and how you judge these things, what you see, what you hear, what you feel, and allow yourself to just keep an open mind. This may be mind-provoking, thought-provoking, but allow it to be. Because if you're being provoked, but you have an open mind, each one only know what we know, how we've been programmed, and how we filter things through our senses, our 5 senses, and allow us to be open to all these things. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Share this with other people. Questions and answers, we can furnish you. So thank you. Enjoy the day.